Welcome to the ESOC 2025 Abstract Submission video tutorial. To start your submission, click on Abstract and Lake-Breaking Science. Choose between Abstract Submission or Late-Breaking Abstract, depending on the date. The following steps will be the same for both options. This is the Guidelines tab. Please read the guidelines thoroughly. If you have any questions or are unsure if you fit all the criteria, contact esoc.abstracts@congrex.com. After you have read and agreed with the guidelines, click on Save and Next. This is the Title and Topic tab. First, read the instructions. Then, type the title of your abstract into the text box. After that, select your preferred presentation type. ESOC will take your preference into consideration, but does not guarantee you will be allocated into the same presentation type you selected after your abstract has gone through the reviewing process. Choosing the right topics and subtopics is essential to ensure your abstract is properly reviewed. Next, select the topic that best fits your abstract's theme. Do the same for subtopics. Once you are done, click on Save and Next. This is the Presenter and Co-Authors tab. First, read the instructions. Then, click on I am an author if you are one of the authors of the abstract. If not, click on Add Author. Fill out the form with the author's personal information. Then, click on Add. You will now need to add more details. Click on Edit Details to do so. Within the Profile subtab, you can edit your personal details if necessary. If you make any alterations, click on Save afterwards. Within the Role of the Author subtab, indicating the main author is optional, but you are required to indicate which author is the presenting author. Within the Affiliations subtab, it is mandatory to add at least one affiliation for each listed author. To do so, click on Add. Then, fill out the form with the appropriate information. When you are done, click on Save Address. There's also a Study Group subtab if you want to inform it, but this is optional. At the end, click on Done. Once you have added all authors and edited all information, click on Save and Next. This is the Disclosure and Consents tab. Here, you need to read all the terms thoroughly and select the options that best fit you. For some items, you are required to select an option. For others, type some information. When you are done, click on Save and Next. This is the Upload Your Abstract tab. First, read the instructions. Then, to get a template for you to copy and paste your abstract body text, click on Download Template. It is mandatory for you to use this template. Open the template on Microsoft Word. Type or paste your abstract body text into the editable gaps on the template. Save the file on your computer. Go back to the Upload Your Abstracts tab. Click on Select File and choose the file you have just saved on a computer. If the template was used correctly and the number of words are within the guideline rules, the text will turn green. If not, it will turn red and you can adjust your Word document and upload it again. If it is green, click on Save and Next. This is the Summary tab. Here, you can review all the information you have put and finalize your submission. If anything is incorrect, you can go back to any of the previous tabs and fix them. Remember to always click on Save and Next if you make any alterations. Scrolling down, you can also see a preview of your abstract submission. This is the official document you are submitting to ESOC 2025 and cannot be altered after the deadline. Please revise it carefully. If everything is correct, enable your final approval of your submission. Finally, click on Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted an abstract to ESOC 2025. A confirmation email will be sent to you automatically. On behalf of ESOC 2025, we thank you for your contribution and thank you for watching this tutorial.